Samsung is working on the Galaxy A36, the successor to the A35 which launched this March. The upcoming phone will arrive with a camera upgrade, according to a new rumor. The A36 has a 50MP main rear camera just like its predecessor, but it will sport a 12MP selfie camera. That's the same move to be employed by the Galaxy A56. The A36 12MP selfie snapper should deliver quality improvements compared to the 13MP sensor Samsung has been using in the A3X family so far. Interestingly, the A56 and A36 will both have 12MP selfie cameras, but it won't be the same one. The A56 selfies will look better. It's unclear if Samsung will alter the ultra-wide and/or macro cameras of the A36, but it's quite likely it won't, as the company seems to prefer very minor changes to its A-series devices from generation to generation. Thanks to a benchmark run, we know that the Galaxy A36 will be powered either by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 SoC or the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2, paired with 6 GB of RAM in one configuration. It will of course run Android 15 when it launches in March next year.